Hi, today we're going to be looking at a new app by a student of mine called Little Chemist. Let's go ahead and run it and get started with it. So this is obviously part of my students demonstrating their apps. So this is called Little Chemist, and essentially you've got two buttons here, start and help. We're going to start with the help. It's got tips on how to use the app, but we don't really care about how to use the app. We want to use the app. So this app is supposed to simulate a chemistry lab. So I'm going to go ahead and make this a bit bigger so you guys can see. So you've got this thing here. You've got a question mark here that kind of tells you what the app does a little bit. And then you could pull this down. Obviously this was used, SpriteKit was used for this. So you could go ahead and add a beaker, for example. And it's going to say, can we access your audio and whatnot? Obviously I'm going to say yes. So what I could do here is I could add a Bunsen burner, and I could put this on top of the Bunsen burner, and let's go ahead and add some water, for example. And essentially what this app is all about is simulating a chemistry lab. Let's go ahead and add some chemicals here, some sodium sulfide. Let's go ahead with 100 grams, for example. And by the way, we've got this little thing, so it actually, if I pull this thing over here, it tells me what the temperature is like. And if you give it a second, yeah, it took a few seconds, but as soon as the water starts boiling, you've got these bubbles. We're gonna add another chemical here, some copper sulfate, I guess. And at the bottom here, it tells you the neutralization reaction, and so on. And we could add some I guess litmus paper over here, and it'll tell us the pH solution or not. I guess in this case it's an error. I don't know my chemistry very well. We could add this to kind of tell us the temperature, and that's pretty much it. Ultimately the student would add more and more, but this is where it's at right now. I think it's pretty cool actually. You could, move things around, and I think it's a pretty cool, well done app, to be honest. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. This one was done by a girl named Helen in my class. Excellent student, excellent project. And of course, as always, if you like this project, check out the link in the description for the GitHub account to see all my students' projects. Everything is open source. Feel free to use whatever you like here and check out other projects. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.